Hello, students. This is Mrs. Stavinsky. Welcome to my classes for this year, 2020-2021 school year. I'm excited to have you in class for either ninth grade U.S. history or psychology or sociology class. I've been teaching here at Lower Dauphin since 2004. So I've been here a little while and I enjoy working here. I went to Penn State University for college, and I also have for education, and I also have master's degrees from Shippensburg, Wilkes, and I'm currently pursuing an American history degree from Pace University. So I wanted to show you me and talk for a few minutes about myself and welcome you to class. You'll find out more about me as I meet you in class. And I wanted to show you what I would look like with my mask or shield on. Here is the mask. And here is the shield. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.